Hi, I'm Uzo, Global RC Director for NARS, and today I'm here with the iconic and legendary supermodel extraordinaire, Beverly Johnson.
Thank you for that introduction.
In the industry, we call you the face that changed it all, but actually you're the face that started it all.
Oh, you're so sweet.
We today are going to demystify the smoky eye. It is our go-to whenever we get you ready for the red carpet.
Absolutely, I love it.
So many different interpretations of what a smoky eye is.
Yes.
So today, let's share with our makeup lovers and enthusiasts what a smoky eye is according to Beverly Johnson.
Okay.
Okay? There are a lot of great primers and bases that you can use, but you know, lately I've been liking a tinted eyeshadow primer.
And what does a primer actually do?
The primer literally preps the surface for like seamless eyeshadow application, but it also adds a little bit of color. In this case, because of the tint in the eyeshadow, I like the fact that this color is going to create just enough depth to get started. So I'm going to put just a little bit on the entire eyelid. Even this is great on its own. On a day where you don't want to wear a lot of eye makeup, but you want to just put a little bit of color to just accentuate the color of your eyelid. But I cannot do eye makeup without this because it really helps the eye makeup adhere to the skin on the eyes for just a longer period of time. It makes it crease resistant and almost smudge resistant. I think that's a big challenge when people do smoky eye. I actually want to start with like a transition color just to even out the skin tone on your eyelid and to create a blending base. So we're going to go back to using this pressed powder that we used to kind of minimize some of the shine and to create just a little bit of warmth. But I actually like that warmth right through the middle of the eye. It's just the perfect transition color, but it really just creates a flawless blending base for darker colors. Okay, so Beverly, you know I'm guilty of using a bronzer everywhere on your face.
Yes, I love it.
And I really love it as a transition color in the crease before we actually start the smoky eye. And I also love the fact that we can create the shape of the smoky eye. We've already gone ahead and accentuated the crease and created a great transition region for the shadow. But we want to go ahead and just give a little bit more shape. I want to swing this out to create a little bit more depth and dimension and a little drama. But what it does, it just adds just a little bit more of a flair. So Beverly, in order to get this smoky eye look started, we're actually going to start with one of the NARS High-Pigment Longwear eyeliners. So I'm going to actually go in and now line your eyes.
Okay.
And we're going to go back and then we're going to smudge it. I'm using a color called Mulholland Drive. It's just a beautiful shimmery brown, and it's very forgiving if you don't draw the perfect line. So we're gonna do a nice thick line. I'm gonna have you take a look. Do you see how it defines your eye?
I do, I love it.
And we're gonna go in and smudge that before the eyeliner actually sets. So the shadows from NARS are they're really just high pigment, but they're very lightweight. So they're great for blending. I'm going to use a color called Last Frontier, which is a bit of a dark brown. And we're going to use that to create just a little bit more depth by going right on top of what we just did. So again, I think the magic to creating the perfect smoky eye is about layering color step by step. And we're going to go back and smudge that with this same color, that beautiful rust, which I love against your skin tone. And I think that this is really the modern version of a smoky eye. It's not always necessary to use very dark colors. It's really about placement of color. So Beverly, I'm gonna go in and just accentuate the outer corner. Because this is not dark brown or black, it doesn't close down the eye. I'm gonna go back. Using a black liner will still be nice and dramatic, but I feel that this is the soft touch. It's just a little bit more flattering for you. So So Beverly, I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow quad called Taj Mahal. We already love how it's given a little pop to this smoky eye, but now we want to go back and further define that brown eyeliner and smoke it out just a little bit more with this plum red, which we already started to do in the outer corner. But I just think that these colors just work so seamlessly together. And we're just going back in to just add a little bit more definition to your crease. So Beverly, what's so amazing about using the bronzer first as a transition color, it prevents this plum red from getting too dark. That is created soft, beautiful definition to your eyes. And I think that this is a modern version of a smoky eye. Of course, just a little bit of mascara to finish off this look.
Yes.
Climax Mascara, mascara of choice. I love that it just is delicate definition to your lashes. And we're just gonna have one coat. Do you wanna try this yourself?
Yes.
Just one coat is all you need. So I think, you know what we're gonna do? Let's start with Savage Blush, which we always default to because it's such a great color for you. Because it looks like blush mixed with a little bit of bronzer. So using blush to sculpt the cheeks is yet another way to create dimension. But you know what? I want to add more color. I really want to complement the eye makeup that we just did. I want to actually use Dominate. Is this beautiful, shimmery, God, how would you describe this color?
It's a very unique color.
It's like using a berry to add a little bit more depth and dimension. So this is just beautiful to sculpt your cheekbones. It looks so amazing.
It just made the face.
Yeah. Okay, and so to complete this beautiful smoky eye sculpted cheek, really you want to stick to a nude lip because we already have so much detail going on. I feel like a dark lip or a bold lip would be maybe just a tad too much. Let's do a nude lipstick because it feels grown up and polished.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite lipsticks from NARS. It's called Raquel, and it's that perfect, again, that perfect nude that has a little bit of color. And we're just gonna take this straight to your lips. Just almost like a matte, more of a satin finish. I'm gonna give you definition with a Velvet Matte lip pencil, which is really like a lipstick lip pencil combo. And this is called Dance Fever. So I actually wanna add a little bit more definition to your lips. And so this is just a great way to pull this entire look together. We don't want to overpower this great smoky eye look with a lip that's too much. That looks so good. This is the smoky eye demystified. Wow.
I love it.
Okay.
So pretty.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, where's the party?